Hey, what's up guys, I'm Joseph Ryan Batty, your tech warrior from LimangSiglo. Today we're going to talk about live streaming using multiple phones with these AC steps, at least 2 to 4 phones, and turn your simple live streaming with a A1 angle, 2 to 4 angle, especially on events like on churches, can at least show a lot of angle. What you need is a PC or laptop and your mobile devices. 2 mobile devices will do. This tutorial works very well for live streaming, just like on churches or some events that needs a quick coverage and who you only have your phones and at least a PC or laptop, but of course you do need a good internet connection. Then this tutorial is for you. So of course the one advantage of this is to have a multiple angles, and then of course if you don't have a proper camera, a DSLR camera. And the other advantage of this is that there are no cables, there are no wires to connect. You only need to download the app, connect it both on your mobile phones and your PC, and then open your OBS, and that's it. In here we will introduce the usage of OBS, which is the Open Broadcast System. In here, we will introduce the usage of Open Broadcast Software or the OBS, which is of course totally free. And this another app or software, and this is the Iruin Webcam. Both available on computers, PC, laptop, on Windows and Mac, and on mobile devices. Available both on Play Store and App Store. Again, this is also a free, but it does comes with the watermark in it. So either you can at least crop it using the OBS before going into the live stream, or just let it be that people will see the watermark. And of course, the one way for you to get rid of that watermark is go premium, go buy that software, and then the watermark will eventually be gone. Be mindful that installing this Iruin Webcam is by default allows you to have only one phone. And if you do wanted the 4 devices, and then go to the customize, and then you're gonna see this multi-camera support, and then check this, then click install, and you're done. Now on mobile devices, again, this is available on both Play Store and App Store. Now that we're finished on the Iruin, both on mobile devices and on PC, now let's go to the OBS, the Open Broadcaster software. Again, this is free, available on both Windows and Mac OS, even Linux. By the way, the links of this OBS and Iruin Webcam is on the description link below. So this is the OBS. This is what it looks like when you're on the studio mode. Normally, this is what you'll see when you open the OBS for the first time. Now I'm using this studio mode where you have this scene panel, and then the source panel, and then this audio mixer. As you can see, I'm speaking and the level of the audio is going down, going up, going down. Then you have this in the middle of the preview and the program, the transition. These are the transition. And then here the preview, and then the program. This is what you actually see on the broadcast. For example, this I made a 3-part scenes. This is the pre-broadcast. Inside is my OBB, my introduction. Then here I have this. I have it loop. Then gonna click the transition so that it's gonna go in the program. So you can see right now it's now in the program. But now this is the main. This is on the main here on the source. And then I will add a video capture device. Gonna add another angle. Video capture device. Name it Cam 3. Then I'm just gonna locate the device, which is the Iruin Webcam number 3. Then as you can see, have it now. Just scale it. Then have the camera tray. Then let's add the last part, the again video capture device, and then this this little window will pop up. Name it as camera 4, cam 4. Then again, device, Iruin Webcam number 4. Then voila. We have now a 4 camera here in the name. We can just transition. So now let's add more scenes. I did a mistake in the first one. I need to first name it as camera 1 and then add a video source device, then go to the another scene, name it as camera 2, and then here, as you can see, I will add a video capture device. I will add a video capture device that already existed. So that's it, camera 2, cam 2, and then just do the same thing that you did on the cam 1 and cam 2. Then one tip is that you put the same camera capture based on the Iruin and then on the OBS, so that you will not really be confused of it. Then as you can see, the first one here is the camera 1, and then as you can see in the preview and the program, it's all the camera 1. And then I'm gonna click this camera 2. Then I'm going to transition it. As you can see in the preview, this is the camera 2. And then when I click the transition, it's gonna go in the program. That simple as that. And then same here. Then this I'm gonna click the transition once again. Then boom. Then let's go to camera 4, transition, boom. But then again, this is where, so now let's create a shortcut key or the hotkeys. Let's go to the settings, let's go to the hotkey, and then here you're gonna see a lot of settings, but let's skip to the designated hotkeys for this scene for you to easily transition with. So let's go to the camera 1. I'm gonna assign the hotkey for the camera 1 as simply as 1. And then same goes for the camera 2, camera 3, and camera 4. 3, 4. Actually, we can also designate the multi-view and the preparation or the pre-broadcast as another hotkey, so that we can easily transition them whenever we need them. The multi-view as 5, and then the pre-broadcast as 6. So just click apply and then OK. As you see, if I'm just simply gonna go for the 1, 2, 3, it doesn't work. The technique here is to click it in the inside of the at least the preview or the program, then click 2, then automatically go on the preview 2, and then just click the transition, and then 3, transition, and then 4, transition, then 5, multi-view, and then 6, yep, my OBB. So we can just do a transition of it. Then here at the multi-view, gonna quickly add another camera, video capture device, another ones existing, but let's add it. Then again, video capture at existing cam 4. Then let's just rescale it until it become a 4 angle. Scale it, this one. So yep, this is basically me. Now for the audio, if you're on the events like on churches or other events that has a sound system, then you can directly get the source from them and connect it to your laptop, and then voila, you have a clean audio. But if you don't have something like that, you can at least rely on your phone's microphone. But it's always better to have a better microphone. Then here the controls are here. Again, the studio mode, the settings. Here you're gonna have the general settings. You can change your language. You can change the theme. There are other more controls in here. Then the stream, on where you wanted to stream it. You have the Twitch, you have YouTube, you have Facebook. You have this stream that actually can cover all those. Then the audio, you can adjust the audio here. You can actually disable the desktop audio so that if there's a notification, there are notification from your desktop, and it won't be heard on the broadcast and the live stream. Especially if you did connected your audio from your sound system, like on events or on churches, something like that. The resolution of the source video device, and you can downscale it depending on the needs. Then there is an advanced, but let's not really focus on this one. Then aside from that, yeah, this just study how to do this switching, the transitioning of from one angle to another angle, and then you can also add a graphics on it. Put your logo, put your anything that you wanted to put using this OBS. But again, the focus of this tutorial is to have a 4-angle using mobile devices without those wires, and basically it's wireless, and you just need a internet connection as usual, because live streaming does need a internet connection with it. So the key in this for mobile devices without these cables is this: connect it to the same internet connection, and voila, you have a 4-angle camera. And that's it for this episode of Samu-Rye Tech. Hope you learned something and be inspired by this episode. This is Joseph Ryan Dati, your tech warrior from LimangSiglo, saying, study, 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 and learn from your mistakes. Maximize what you have.